Why voting matters in a democracy. Introduction. Voting, uh, Voting is a fundamental right and responsibility in any democratic society. It allows citizens to express their opinion, choose their leaders, and influence policies that shape the nation's future. Democracy is built on the participation of the people. And when citizens vote, they exercise their power to create positive change. Ignoring this right weakens democracy and diminishes the voice of the people. Therefore, voting matters to the people is it ensures fairness, accountability, and representation in government bodies. First, voting empowers citizens to choose leaders who affect their value and priorities. Elections give people the chance to support candidates who represent their ideas and solutions. When citizens participate in voting, they ensure that their government acts in the interest of the people, not just a select few. Without voting, leaders may make decisions that do not represent the majority, leading to unfair laws or policies. Second, voting safeguards citizens' right and freedom. Throughout history, many individuals have struggled and fought to gain the right to vote. By casting their ballots, citizens honor these sacrifices and protects the democratic system. Failure to vote can weaken democracy and allow power to concentrate in the hands of a few, threatening equality and justice. Third, voting allows citizens to influence decisions of important national issues, from education to healthcare, from the economy to national security. Election, Elections determine the policies that affect everybody's life. Every vote counts, and even one person's choice the impact the outcome of an election. Participating in voting ensures that every voice is heard and contributes to the development of the nation. Conclusion. In conclusion, voting is a vital part of the democracy. It gives citizens the power to choose leaders, protect rights, and influence nation projects. A strong and fair democracy depends on active participation by its people. By voting, citizens show represent responsibility, uphold justice, and shape the country future. And everyone who is eligible should recognize the importance of their vote and care, take part in building a better society. 20 words, 20 vocabulary words. Words. Democracy, meaning as a system of government by a people. Synonym, freedom, self-rule. Antonym, dic- dictatorship, tyranny. Citizen, a illegal member of a country. Resident national. Foreigner, ally. Citizen, election, a process of choosing leaders. Full vote. appointment, vote, to express choose in a election, ballot decision, abstain, rights, legal freedom and protection, privilege, liberties, restrictions, limit, voice, the power of express opinion, opinion say, silence, sup- suppression, leader, a person who guides or directs, ruler, chief, follower, subordinate, power, the ability to influence or control, authority, control, weakness, impress, impotence, responsibility, duty or obligation, accountability, duty, neglect, irresponsibility, majority, the greater number of people, most minority view, government, the system that governs a nation, administration, authority, anarchy, disorder, fair, just and equal, equal, impartial, unjust, bias, choose, the fact of selecting, option, decision, con- compulsion, obligation, influence, the ability to others, impact, effect, significance, power, power, powerlessness, participate, to take part, engage, join, avoid, abstain, society, account, community of people, community, pollution, isolation, solitude, protect, to keep safe from harm, defense, safeguard, harm and danger, protect, society, a community of people, community population, is isolation, solitude, protect, to keep safe from harm, defend, safeguard, harm and danger, decision, a conclusion reached after consideration, conclusion, resolution, indecision, hesitation, future, the time that is yet to come, tomorrow,